We've got about 7 hours until kickoff, and I asked the fine folks at my hotel here in Roanoke, where should I go that's different? Well, there's a spot here in town that's been on the DIY network, on the show Salvage Dogs, and this is Black Dog Salvage. Anybody need some burlap sacks? Anybody? Anyone? Kind of like the ultimate do-it-yourself style. I guess that's why it's on the DIY network. Remember, every time one door closes, well, 50 more open. Some really neat stuff in here. It's actually really cool, and I'm glad the folks at my hotel told me about this, but check it out. They've got a spot dedicated to their show. Really obscure, but I think my favorite thing I've seen so far is this dining room table, and I would love it if somebody could help me get it on the plane back to Temple tomorrow, because I don't know why, but I like this table. Paninis. That's cool. Two things come to mind with this sign. Never too old to build a fort. You're never too old to jump in a pit of foam balls. I don't know about you, I think it's really cool in there. I actually bought some. I bought a little wooden postcard that says, "Move along, we don't appreciate your negative vibes around here." Let's go check out some downtown Roanoke, how about that? Hey, look, I found Dory. Just keep swimming, just keep swimming, just keep swimming, swimming, swimming. They just told me that there's a pinball museum here, and I found it. Let's check it out. Not quite what I was expecting, and I'm fairly certain for the first time in my life I can say I'm the oldest person in the room. The oldest person in the room. Oh, that's depressing. And that's not any better. No. Man, I'm bad at this. I'm still not getting any better. Let's try this. Okay. No, that was bad. I need to not be showing this to y'all. My goodness. How did I ever play sports in school? That's what I want to know. Uh-oh. 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 Oh, that makes me sad. So it wasn't exactly what I was expecting it to be. I learned I need to not quit my day job. Well, I wish you guys could smell this, because we're near all the restaurants here, and it smells fantastic. And I'm getting hungry because I slept in, so let's go find somewhere to eat. Well, I appreciate you guys sightseeing with me. That was fun. I got a cup of coffee to go back to the hotel with because it's cold. When I looked it up last time, it said it was 24 degrees, which is a lot colder than I'm used to. So it's time to go get ready for this game. Thanks for joining me on another shorter road trip today, and go Crew.